Are your garden plants not growing properly? Are the leaves turning pale or losing their color? Are you looking for a solution that can bring your garden back to life in just a few days? Then this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular fertilizers in the world, Miracle-Gro water-soluble plant food. It's often called instant food for plants. But here's the truth. While it can work like magic, using it the wrong way can actually burn and damage your plants. So in today's video, I'll show you the correct dosage, the best time to use it, and some pro tips to get the best results. Let's get started! What is Miracle-Gro? Miracle-Gro is a synthetic, water-soluble fertilizer. The most common version comes with an NPK ratio of 24:8:16. What does that mean? 24% nitrogen helps plants grow fast with lush green leaves. 8% phosphorus strengthens roots. 16% potassium boosts plant health and helps with flowers and fruits. In simple terms, it's an all-purpose fertilizer that supports overall plant growth. Why is it different from other fertilizers? Most granular fertilizers take time to break down in the soil, but Miracle-Gro works differently. Once you mix it with water, it becomes instantly available for plants. That means plants can absorb nutrients within hours through their roots. You can also spray it on leaves, and plants will absorb nutrients directly through them. That's why it works so fast, especially when your plant looks weak or stressed. Correct usage. This is where most people make mistakes. The dosage written on the package is often too strong for hot climates, so it's better to use a slightly lower amount. For outdoor plants, mix 1 tablespoon in 1 gallon, about 4 liters, of water. For indoor plants, mix half a teaspoon in 1 gallon of water. Indoor plants need much less fertilizer. Use it once every 7 to 14 days. Best time to apply? Early morning or late afternoon. Never apply during strong midday sun. Common mistakes and warnings. If you don't use it correctly, your plant can get damaged. Over-fertilizing can cause fertilizer burn. Leaves turn brown and dry out. Remember, less is safe. More can kill your plant. Never apply fertilizer on completely dry soil. Water the plant first, then apply the fertilizer later. Avoid using it on cactus and succulents. They need special, low-nutrient fertilizers. Organic versus Miracle-Gro. Let's be honest, Miracle-Gro is a chemical fertilizer. It helps plants grow fast, but it does not improve soil health in the long run. So here's my advice. If you grow plants in pots, you can use it, but also add organic fertilizers like vermicompost or cow manure. This keeps both your plants and soil healthy. Final advice. In the end, Miracle-Gro can be like a magic tool for your garden, if you use it the right way. Follow the correct dosage shown in this video, and you will see the difference yourself. Do you use Miracle-Gro? Or do you prefer other fertilizers? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your gardening friends. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of your plants.